Hi guys, sitting here at my desk with the Secure Plus welding kit. And if you follow my channel, and by the way, like and subscribe, you've seen me over the last few days go from a retired guy teaching himself to weld to actually welding. And what I did was I bought this, the Secure Plus, and I'm not compensated in any way for anything that I say about this unit. I bought it to teach myself how to weld. And I did. I played with little pieces, a couple of big pieces of iron. I welded them together. Then I finally got something that was broken, which was a wheel on my next door neighbor's car. And over the past 2 days, I've posted several videos of me welding that, getting it to work, getting it back on the cart, and making it work again. This unit is so simple. You plug it in to a regular 110 current. You ground it to the metal that you're using. You turn it on, you turn it up. It has levels 1 through 5. That was thin metal on that wheel. So I used level 3. You set it down, you make contact, you get it started welding, and away it goes. And you need, of course, equipment. You need a welding helmet. You need a welding jacket, or in my case, I have a jacket and an apron. But it works. I even loaned it to a buddy of mine who is a welder, and he uses this big equipment on the back of his truck. And he came back and said, "Hey, I'm getting one of these." So if you're interested, and at 70, I had never welded, and I always wanted to know how. I always wanted to be able to fix something, metal, when it broke and not have to go pay somebody. And this unit allowed me to do that. It was not expensive. It came with the welding rods that I needed. You can use different size welding rods and different power levels with this. If you are looking to take up a new hobby and being able to fix things, this is the unit for you. As I say, I'm a 70-year-old man, and I can sit here and hold it in my hand. I can go out and weld whatever I want to. Thanks.